Question 31. The length of an arc of a circle of radius 3.5 is one whole number 19 over 36 centimeters. Calculate, correct to the nearest degree, the angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. Take pi equal to 22 over 7. This is the length of arc formula. In the question, the length of arc is given as a mixed fraction. If you convert it to improper fraction, you have 55 over 36. The angle is unknown over 360 times 2 times pi times radius 3.5. If you reduce 2 and 360, you have 180. If you divide 180 and 22 by 2, you have 11 remaining there, and here is 90. So clear the fractions by multiplying through by 36 to the other side and 19 times 7 to the other side. So you have it in this form. To get theta, divide through by 36 times 11 times 3.5. You have this result. If you multiply, you get this result, and when you divide, you have 25 degrees. C is the correct option. Question 32. In the diagram, PU is parallel to S arrow, PS parallel to T arrow, QS parallel to U arrow. U arrow is 15 cm, S arrow is 8 cm, PS is 10 cm, and area of triangle SU arrow is 24 square centimeters. Calculate the area of PT arrow S. PT arrow S is a parallelogram. PT, you have arrow S, and the area of parallelogram is the base times height. The height is needed before the area can be obtained. That is why the area of triangle SU arrow is given to you to enable you find the height. That triangle, the base is 8. So you have 1 over 2 times base times height as the area of triangle SU arrow, and is equal to 24, the value for the area. So you have 1 over 2 times 8 times height equal to 24. Divide 8 by 2, you are left with 4 times h equal to 24. Divide both sides by 4, h is equal to 24. Divide by 4, and that is 6. Therefore, area of parallelogram PTRS is equal to the base 8 times the height 6, and that is 48 square centimeters. B is the correct option. Question 33. In the diagram, PQ is a circle with center O. If angle OPQ is 48 degrees, find the value of M. Now, if O is the center, it means arrow P is a diameter and OP is a radius, OQ is also a radius. By that, triangle POQ is isosceles triangle. So you have the base angles, they are equal. So if here is 48, here is also 48. in that triangle, angle M is exterior, and you know that the exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. All I have said will lead you to this point. So M is equal to 48 degrees plus 48 degrees, and that is 96 degrees. A is the correct option. Question 34. The pie chart shows the population of men, women, and children in a city. If the population of the city is 1,800,000, how many men are in the city? From the pie chart, number of men in the city is equal to sectorial angle for men over total angle 360 degrees times total population. So sectorial angle for men is needed. Total angles in the circle is 360 degrees. To get sectorial angle for men, you simply add 120 to 169 and subtract it from 360. That is what you have here, and you have 17. Therefore, number of men is equal to their sectorial angle 71 degrees over total angles 360 degrees times total population 1.8 million. If you multiply and divide, or you divide and multiply, you have 355,000 men in the city. C is the correct option. Question 35. The mean of the numbers 15, 21, 17, 26, 18, and 29 is 21. Calculate the standard deviation. The data are on group, and as such, you can find the standard deviation using this formula. WAEC has already solved this question halfway for you. They have, because the mean is given to you as 21. So let's have a short table. You have S to represent the data point. By the formula, you need S minus S bar. S bar is the mean, so you subtract the mean from each value of S. So you have 15. 15 minus 21, you have minus 26. Minus 6. 21 minus 21 is 0, and so on. Then S minus S bar all squared means you squared everything here. Minus 6 squared is 36. 0 squared is 0. Minus 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. Minus 3 squared is 9. 8 squared is 64. If you add together, summation means add, you have 150. Therefore, SD is equal to square root of 150 divided by 6, that is square root of 25, which is 5. C is the correct option, that is the standard deviation. Question 36. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. SOQ is the diameter, and angle SRP is equal to 37 degrees. Find angle PSQ. PSQ, that is this angle. To get this angle, we have to look at triangle QSP. Already, this angle is equal to 37 angles in the same segment. If SOQ is diameter, it means this angle is 90 degrees angle in a semicircle. So you know two of the angles. To get this angle, if you add all the angles together, the sum is 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. All I have said put together will land you here and here as well. If you collect like terms, you have angle PSQ is equal to, if you add these two angles and transfer it, it becomes 180 degrees minus 127 degrees, and you have 53 degrees. C is the correct option. Question 37. Find the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. For any regular polygon, the sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees, or 2n minus 4 times 90 degrees. Pentagon has 5 sides. That means n is 5. So you have 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. That is 3 times 180 degrees. And you have 540 degrees. C is the correct option. Question 38. The diameter of a sphere is 12 centimeters. Calculate correct to the nearest cube centimeters the volume of the sphere. Volume of sphere is given by 4/3 pi arrow cube. We need arrow, the radius, but in the question you have diameter. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Divide 12 by 2, you have 6. Therefore, the volume is simply equal to 4/3 times the value of pi times radius cube, that is 6 cube. 4 times 22 is 88. 3 times 7 is 21 times 6 cube, 216. You multiply and divide, you have 905.1428. To the nearest cube centimeters, we are interested in 905. 905, the next number is 1, is less than 5. You round it down to 0 and you have 905 cube centimeters as the volume of the sphere. A box contains 12 identical balls, of which 5 are red, 4 are blue, and the rest are green. Use this information to answer questions 39 and 40. Question 39. If a ball is selected at random from the balls, what is the probability that it is green? From the question, number of green balls, they are unknown, but you have the total and red with blue ball. So if you add red and blue and you subtract it from the total, you have green balls. This is what you have here, and the green balls are 3 in number. It follows that probability green ball is equal to number of green balls in the box over total balls. and that is 3 over 12, which simplifies to 1 over 4. D is the correct option. Question 40. If two balls are selected at random, one after the other with replacement, what is the probability that both are red? Both implies multiplication law. Then with replacement, that condition simply means that the total is not affected. After picking the first ball as red, you replace it before the next picking, so the total remains the same. Probability both red is equal to the first one is red, 5 over 12, number of red balls over total balls, times second is red, the same 5 over 12. If you multiply, you have 25 over 144. A is the correct option. Pittacus Simplified Maths. If you are viewing and watching from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe for more updates from time to time. Like and share PSM videos. If you are viewing and watching from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates. Also share PSM videos.